The hypertechno wave is getting bigger and bigger, so let's make some hypertechno today. So let's start off with a vocal. Almost all of the time, the hypertechno vocal is a popular odd song flipped into a 150 BPM techno banger. I choose this track to flip. This ain't nothing but a summer jam. So I already got a vocal loaded up. Let's mix it. First, let's add some compression.
This ain't nothing but a summer jam.
Some fresh air to open up the high end.
This ain't nothing but a summer jam.
And some delay to glue it a bit more into FL Studio.
This ain't nothing but a summer jam.
So now we're gonna work on the drop. Let's pick a kick drum from the new Hyper 2 sample pack. It's the follow-up of our best-selling Hyper Techno pack. Let's use this and make a simple kick rhythm. Also reverse the first kick. So now we're gonna work on the bass. First, let's pick a preset from the new Hyper pack. Let's use this one. I will link down a breakdown of the preset as well down below. So now we're gonna write a MIDI. First, let's start off on a root note. Like this. Go down. And up to the third note of the scale. Something like this. So now we're gonna mix it. First some distortion. Then add some more sub-harmonics with our bass. And give it a really big sidechain to finish it off. Giving a bounce to it. So together with a kick, it sounds like this. Really bringing that hyper techno vibe. Now we're gonna make a variation in the second part of the drop. Right here. Let's switch up the MIDI just a little bit. Going up to the fourth note of the scale, to the D. Makes it way more melodic instead of that dark MIDI. Sounding like this. And then to finish off the drop, I want to add a drum loop to it. Let's drop in this one. So altogether the foundation of the drop sounds like this. So now we're gonna dive into the breakdown. I want to start off with a reese bass. I got a new serum loaded up. Let's use this one. And just copy over the MIDI of the second drop. Sounding like this. Then we're gonna mix it. First get rid of the high end. And add some distortion. Together with the vocal it sounds like this.
This ain't nothing but a summer jam. Brown skin and cinnamon dance. Whoa.
Then we're gonna layer it with an ARP sound. So let's pick a plug from the pack. And make the MIDI like this. Just following the chords. Then we're gonna go up to the D. Down to the F. And back to the C chord. So this will be our basic ARP, which sounds really dope already out of the box, so the only thing that's left to do is automate a mod wheel to create some more movement in the track. Like this. So we're gonna let it open up during the breakdown, like this. Then I want to make it a little bit more interesting. Let's add a top lead to it. Following the chords. So first hit a C, which is in the A minor chord. Go up to the D. Back to the A. Go up an octave. And finish on the G. Then we're gonna mix it. So first we're gonna add a lot of delay. Giving kind of that Medusa effect. And space it out with a lot of reverb as well. Push it back in the mix. So we got ourselves a dope ambience sound. Together with the other elements, it sounds like this.
This ain't nothing but a summer jam. Brown skin and cinnamon dance. Whoa.
Then we're gonna add a pad sound to it, just to fill it up some more. Let's use these starter chords. So I turned the original MIDI into simple chords. So A, C, E, D, A, F. Sounded like this. And then just mix it in at a low volume. Another sound for in the background. So altogether our breakdown sounds like this.
Hey, oh, hey, summer jam, alright. Hey, oh, hey.
We almost got the track ready, so I filled it up with some more ambiences and effects. This uplifter from the back. Some ambience sounds from the pack. Just stacking them together. Some downlifters. I reverse them as uplifters. And a simple snare build. Then we can copy over some elements to the drop. So first the ambience. The downlifter. Make a really small uplifter right here as well. Same for this one. And copy over the melodic elements for the breakdown. So basically everything except the reese bass. Sounded like this. Also copy over the automation. Yeah, that's dope. Really fills it up some more. And then to finish off the track, I added some crash sounds right here. And I combined it with this low cut automation. Really add some more energy to it, so that's how you make a Hypertechno drop. If you want to stream the song, it's linked down below as well. So if you like the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next videos.
This ain't nothing but a summer jam. Brown skin and cinnamon dance. Whoa. This ain't nothing but a summer jam. We're gonna party as much as we can. Hey.